Hello, English learners. Welcome to the English Time YT. I am Lily.
And I am Alex.
Today is day 2 of our 7-day speaking challenge.
In this video, we are practicing everyday English questions and answers.
Yes, I will answer Alex's questions twice, slowly. So listen carefully and repeat after me. And remember, we give you the key sentences on screen so you can follow along and practice. If you enjoy this, please subscribe. Let's begin.
So Lily, here is the most common first question. Do you drink coffee or tea?
I prefer tea, actually. I drink tea every single morning. I prefer tea. I drink tea every single morning.
Tea every morning. I love that. I am a coffee person myself.
That's wonderful, Alex.
Okay, everyone. So the next question your friend and colleague can ask you anywhere. It is, Lily, do you need any help with that?
Oh, that is so kind of you. Yes, please. That would be really helpful. Oh, that is so kind of you. Yes, please. That would be really helpful.
Of course. That is what colleagues are for. Now, third and the most asked question is, are you free this afternoon?
I think so, yes. I just have one meeting at 3, but I am free after that. I think so, yes. I just have one meeting at 3, but I am free after that.
Okay, perfect. Let's catch up after your meeting then.
That sounds great. I will see you then.
Okay, Lily. Imagine you are traveling or even sitting somewhere. Then someone comes and asks you that, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" What would be the answer, Lily?
I will politely say, "No, not at all. Please, go ahead and sit down." No, not at all. Please, go ahead and sit down.
Oh, thank you so much. That is very kind of you.
Of course. No problem at all.
Now you are in a shop, and the worker asks you, "Are you looking for anything specific today?" What would be your answer, Lily?
Okay, Alex. I will say, actually, yes. I am looking for a gift for a friend. It is her birthday next week. Actually, yes. I am looking for a gift for a friend. It is her birthday next week.
A birthday gift. How exciting. I hope you find something perfect.
Thank you, Alex.
Okay, so the final question, Lily. It is a personal one. What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I like having a slow and peaceful morning. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. I like having a slow and peaceful morning.
Ah, so you are a morning person, Lily.
Yes, exactly. Perfect, everyone. Now it's your turn to answer all these questions. I will ask you the same questions. Listen, think, and say your answer out loud. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Do you drink coffee or tea? Question 2. Do you need any help with that? Question 3. Are you free this afternoon? Question number 4. Excuse me, is this seat taken? Question 5. Are you looking for anything specific today? Question number 6. What time do you usually wake up? Brilliant! You just answered 6 real, everyday English questions. Even if you answered half of them, you did great. And stay with us, because in our next lesson,
You will learn how to describe your daily routine in English.
what do you do every morning? Every afternoon? Every evening?
We will teach you exactly how to talk about it, naturally and confidently. See you in the next lesson, and subscribe to the English Time YT.
Goodbye, everyone.